I truly hope you guys are doing great today. So I have a bit of a haul. I have been running around to a lot of store tours and home tours for you guys, and I haven't done a haul in quite a while, I should say. There was a time when I was decorating, just moved into this house, and I was decorating like crazy, so I was shopping like crazy, but I'm shopping a little bit less and focusing on intentional pieces and kind of like inspired by Restoration Hardware's contemporary design. So that's what I'm going to jump into, but I just hope that you guys are truly doing well. I know a lot of parents, foster parents, aunties, uncles, and grandparents are sending their kids back to school or getting ready to send their kids back to school. So shout out to all of you guys because I know what it's like. It's a lot of work, right? Let me jump into the haul for y'all. Let's start off with this piece here. And this from Living Spaces, this is $65 and it's really beautiful. It's siltstone. It's called the Sculpture on a Stand, Modern Abstract, right? And I still think, even though it says it's described as modern abstract, that it's still a contemporary piece. It has this marble base here, and I love the shape of it. Again, this was from Living Spaces, and this piece right here was $65. This piece here from Living Spaces, and it's the matching piece, and this one is $75. So here are these two pieces here, and I love the way it kind of goes like this. I think this is how I'm going to style it. And I almost knocked myself out just now. I think I'm gonna have a little bruise right here. Anyway, so this is how I'm gonna be styling. So this is a collaborative haul. This is pretty much the only thing that I got from Living Spaces. They do have some really good home decor there. Some stores, locations more than others, and they're also online and they ship throughout the US. Okay, so now I got these links. Yes, still got these square links now, and I like the square links because to me it looks a little bit more contemporary, and I love the way it will kind of blend in. I'm not putting these anywhere close to each other, but the highlights will shine through when you do style them. And this was from Ross, and it's $19.99 for these 3 links. I got 2 links, right? So, and this one was $14.99 for 2 of them. Although I honestly think that it came with 3 pieces, and I don't know. So here's 2. I think a 3rd piece was on here and it broke off and they just put a $14.99 tag on here. I'm not sure, but here it is here. So next from Ross, I got this piece here that's funky. I wish I could find another one. It has some feet, and it has these ripple things here. Really sweet piece, right? And this was $17.99. Now the prices have went up everywhere. I'm thinking that this should have been like maybe $12.99 to $15.99, but it's $17.99. But I really like this piece here, okay? And I like that it has style. It has that kind of, see here, how these kind of complement each other in terms of the inquisitiveness and the detail. I think this is like really cool together, and they may not go right next to each other, but when you go through your house, you like to see the cohesiveness and you like to see the design flow. So other than like spaces that are closed off, like my office, you're gonna see throughout my house that I have these pieces that kind of one-off big pretty pieces, really interesting pieces, conversation pieces that flow throughout my house. And this is one of them with the feet, and the sheen on it is really, really cool. And then I have this that I got from Home Goods, and it was broken. It's missing its little piece here, so I got at a discount. It was originally $29.99, and I got it for $25. And I might have shown you, I actually have two of these, so I may have shown this to you before, I'm not sure, but I got another one because I have another space for it. And you see how this detail kind of, you have that little piece that's sticking out, and it's still considered a contemporary design, and also eclectic, cultural. I like mixing different vibes, but it's coming away from the wood pieces that you've seen in my last home tour last year. It's been officially 1 year since I showed you that home tour. And so it's moving away from the woods. Wood can get very dull and boring, right? So all is not lost with wood. The great thing about it is that you can paint wood. You can always paint it black, white, or whatever color you need it to be, and be creative with it. So although the wood for me, I'll have some wood pieces maybe, but for me, it got a little boring. So anyway, yeah, this piece right here, this vase for $25 rather, okay? And it's a really nice piece. So this is going pretty fast. Then back still on the vases. And this is one that I'm not sure about if I'm gonna keep or not. Because, yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna show it to you guys anyway. This piece here was $17.99, like this one, but it's not really the look that I'm going for. I have to see what happens with it. So if you notice the detail here, like this circle, you see how this and this, they go together, like the circle. So it's kind of like tying in elements together to flow well. And again, this was $17.99 from Ross. Now this is for my office. So in my office, it's always going to be an ethnic vibe. And this is a female statue. This one was $16.99. See it there with the hair. And if, yes, I have the wood. And in my office, an ethnic vibe wood is definitely where I want to stay. A little bit of glamour in there. But I'm going to be putting these on the bookshelf. And I really like this one. And then this is the femininity and the masculinity, the female piece and the male piece here. And I'll show you a better view in a second. I'll try to put it on the bookshelf for you guys if I don't feel too lazy. But if not, I'll just put it on the stand somewhere. But yeah, so I can see his and hers from Ross for $17. Here are these baskets, and I really like these. I actually bought these for my bedroom area and my bath area. So the little one here is $10.99 and the bigger one is $11.99, and I think that's a great price for these baskets. So $10.99 and $11.99, Yes, I'm really liking these. So it doesn't have any handles or anything, but I thought they were really cool. So this is not inspired by restoration hardware. Well, maybe a little bit, but not really. This is for my bedroom bath area. You kind of need some baskets to put things in and still make the bedroom bathroom area look spruced up. So storage, but it's still fancy storage, you know? It's like hidden, the things are hidden in here, but it just looks cool. So yeah. So a couple of months ago, I showed you guys the CB2. It was like a Lenny Kravitz collaboration, and I also did a haul from CB2 as well, and it included a Tide basket. And that Tide basket was a white basket that I purchased from CB2. And now I really didn't like the color of it, and I said that I was going to paint it, but I really had wanted the black one, but they didn't have it in the store at the time. And I had a feeling that if I bought it from the store, if I didn't get it right then and there, that I was going to go home and never order it. However, I ended up taking that white one back, and I did place the order in the store for this black one here. And you can see how this has the asymmetrical basket. It's called the Tide basket. It's an asymmetrical piece. This is how it looks inside. I think the black looks so much better. The uniqueness. This is just so my cup of tea. So although I got to figure out which way I'm going here, or maybe I don't have to, I just think all these pieces with these uh, asymmetrical, and these lines, the way they're, the funky little lines going on here, how much it complements each other, right? With all these pieces. So everything, I want everything to flow. You can see here how well everything really works well together. And I don't know exactly where I'm placing these pieces yet, but I know I won't have a hard time with it because they're all funky. They all speak volume. They all kind of tell a story. It all makes you go, those are really cool big pieces. So I'm so happy that I ended up getting this. This was 150 from CB2, and it's been great hanging with you. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you soon.